Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Let's understand about the magnesium for muscle contraction and relaxation. So the magnesium is very important like calcium. Calcium is also important, but in this video we will understand about the magnesium. So why the deficiency will occur of the magnesium. So let's understand all these things, all the stories. So here is a note. We will understand through notes. So the magnesium role in muscle contraction, let's understand. Here is a diagram which that show magnesium will inhibit the influx of the calcium into the muscle, into the myocyte or myofiber. So whenever the calcium will not move inside, so in this way it will not bind with the troponin. So in this way the muscle will relax. So totally. While the contraction basically due to the magnesium deficiency because the magnesium will inhibit the calcium gated channel. So the calcium will not allow to influx. So in this the magnesium will work for this. So regulate the muscle contraction and relaxation, ATP production. So the magnesium is also important for the ATP production. Why? Because the mitochondria require the end cofactor. This is the cofactor which that work for the production of ATP through glycolysis. So the glycolysis require the magnesium. And in this the magnesium bind with the enzyme. It is known as a coenzyme. It is also known as, but it is not coenzyme, but it is basically it is cofactor. So it will be bind with the so it is known as a coenzyme. So when bind with the enzyme, so the enzyme will work properly to produce ATP through glycolysis. So remember this, after this pyruvate formation, so energy boost will increase. So energy will boost. Regulate the calcium channel. So the calcium channel will regulate in this way. Whenever the need of the calcium for contraction of the muscle, so the magnesium will not bind, while whenever the no need to the calcium and in this the muscle want to relax, so in this the magnesium will stop the influx of the calcium. So in this way the calcium will not allow, and in this way whenever the jerk will occur during the night time, so this jerk is due to the or sudden contraction of the muscle or spasm due to the magnesium deficiency. Why? Because the magnesium whenever lost, so decrease the deficiency of the magnesium, so the balance of the calcium influx will increase and rapidly jerk will occur in your muscle. So the rapid contraction of the muscle. So in this way the heart palpitation, the heartbeat will be irregular. So the maintain muscle cell membrane potential. So the membrane potential of the muscle cell will be maintained due to this. Relaxes the muscle after contraction. So the after contraction the muscle will relax due to the magnesium. Magnesium deficiency and the muscle function. Let's understand about that. So the cramps, spasm, weakness and fatigue. Why? Because whenever the calcium no need to influx of the calcium, so the magnesium help to prevent this enzyme working like the channel like enzyme, the calcium gated channel. So in this way magnesium will not move inside. In this way the proper functioning. If not, magnesium deficiency will lead to cause cramps, spasm, weakness and fatigue, while the muscle stiffness. So in this way basically the muscle will basically stiff and soreness due to the magnesium. So the magnesium will lead to increase the flexibility of the muscle, so the normal function of the muscle, while the twitching and tremors can be possible like jerk and tremors and twitching of the muscle and twitching of your eyes, which that show the deficiency of the magnesium. So the impaired athletic performance. So the athletic performance will be decreased. Why? Because your muscle will exhaust due to the over contraction and over relaxation whenever no need. So it will beside the need of the contraction or relaxation of the muscle. In this way will lead to cause fatigue and impaired athletic performance. While on the other hand the benefit of magnesium for muscle is that, let's understand about that. Reduces the muscle cramping and spasm. So it will reduce, same it is opposite about the deficiency of the magnesium. Increase muscle strength and the endurance. So it will increase the muscle strength, endurance, improve muscle relaxation and recovery. On the other hand, the sport muscle recovery, flexibility and mobility increase. So that reduces muscle inflammation and soreness because the magnesium is too much important, and the deficiency of the magnesium is going on the worldwide. So please concern about these things and just focus on the magnesium deficiency. Reduce the muscle inflammation and soreness. So the daily dose for adult men is the 400 milligram, but you can easily consume this magnesium as compared to the potassium, because potassium consumption is difficult because it requires the avocado or other things or green vegetables. But this magnesium is a green vegetable. Every type of the green vegetable contain chlorophyll, and chlorophyll contain magnesium. Is a central element, central atom, which that give the structured formula of the chlorophyll. So you can consume all type of the green vegetable. So for adult women, 320 milligram is the daily dose. So the source of magnesium is a lot, like dark leafy greens, spinach and kale, while the nuts, seeds like almonds, pumpkin seeds. Legume is the black beans and the lentils, while the whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, which that is also contain the magnesium. The fish is the salmon and the mackerel, which that is also contain the magnesium, but the mostly is the dark leafy green vegetable, which that is basically is important for recovery of the deficiency of the magnesium. The deficiency risk factor is a poor diet, excessive sweating, and the medication. Remember, the sweating also lose the magnesium in the form of salt, like the magnesium salt. In this way, the magnesium will lose because it is the alkali metal. So the alkaline earth metal. So in the periodic table, so this basically give the salt. So the magnesium loss due to the in the form of salt during the sweating. So our sweating, whenever you will our sweat, so you require more and more magnesium. So remember about that. And digestive disorder can be possible because the magnesium allow to absorb the all type of the things from the digestive system into the blood. So the magnesium play important role. So in this, the digestive disorder can be possible. And also the digestive disorder due to the contraction and relaxation, the peristaltic movement of your digestive system due to the magnesium, because the relaxation and the contraction of your smooth muscle, which that are present in your basically in your digestive system, which that will lead to get the malfunction, and in this way the digestive problem. While on the other hand, your blood circulatory system contains smooth muscle cell in the tunica media, which that contains smooth muscle cell, and in this way the smooth muscle cell basically in the form of spindle, so which that also require the magnesium for flexibility. And if not magnesium recovery will occur. So in this, the magnesium when not required, so magnesium when required but you are not consuming the magnesium, in this the hypertension and the rigidity of your blood vessel will lead to cause hypertension, and aneurysm can be possible. I hope you make sense about that. This is the video about the magnesium for muscle contraction and relaxation of the smooth muscle and the skeletal muscle. So everything, basically every type of muscle require the magnesium. I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. For this time, bye. Allah Hafiz.